Today, let me show you how to make Ragi Idlis from KleverEats instant premix. Soft, healthy, and very easy to make.
Take one bowl, add 1 katori of Ragi Idli premix. Now add 1.5 katoris of water. Here the ratio is 1:1.5 times. Mix well until you get a smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps. If you like, add 1 teaspoon of oil or desi cow ghee. This is optional, but it improves the taste. Lightly grease the idli molds with oil or butter. If you don't have molds, no worries, we have covered this later in the video.
Pour the batter into each mold. Fill it only 3/4 full.
If you don't have idli molds, don't worry. You can use a covered pan and 2 or 3 small katoris.
Place the molds in a steamer. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes on medium to high flame.
To check, insert a toothpick or knife. If it comes out clean, the idlis are ready. If not, steam for 2 more minutes and check again. Your soft and fluffy Ragi Idlis are ready. Serve hot with plain curd, yogurt or chutney sambar. Check out our instant sambar chutney premix video. Healthy, light and easy to cook. That's how simple it is to make Ragi Idlis.
Visit Kleverfarms.com or KleverEats.com to explore more.